Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 4 simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. My WhatsApp, you can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Okay, now I'm going to start my exam to solve step by step. We will go to the MultiLab Pearson, go to the Excel chapter, for simulation exam. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. You can directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I will do your complete course with A plus grade. Okay, we will open Excel chapter 4 simulation exam. Okay, freeze the top row of worksheet. This is the first question of this exam. Freeze the top row of the worksheet. We will go to the view tab in the window group, click on freeze pen button and then click on freeze top row. Unfreeze the top row. We will go to the view tab in the window group, click on freeze pen button and then click on unfreeze pen. Click cell B4 and freeze the panes above and then left of the active cell. We will click on cell B4. Okay, we will go to the view tab in the window group, click on freeze pane button and then click on freeze pane top row. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to do next question. The next question is that display the worksheet in page break preview. Display the worksheet in page break preview. We will go to the view tab in the worksheet view group, click on page break preview button. Insert a page break between row 39 and 39 and 40. We will go to the row 39, click on row 40, scroll down, where is, okay, we will click on row 40 and then go to the page layout tab in the page setup group, click on break button, click on page, insert page break. Okay, this question is completed now. Select the range A3 to G12 as the parent area. We will go to select this range A3 to G12. Okay, we will first select this range A3 to G12. Where is A3 to G12? Okay, I have selected this range. Now we will go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. Click on print area button. Click on set print area. Change the scaling to 90%. We will go to the page layout tab in the scale to fit group. Click on the scale checkbox, scale box, and then we'll select set 90% scaling. Clear the print area. We will go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. Click on print area. We will click on clear print area. This question is done now. Now I am going to do next question. The next question is that select row 1 to 3 as title to repeat on each page. We will select the row. We will select this. We will go to the page layout tab and open the page setup and then we will click on sheet. Okay, row to top repeat row to repeat at top 1 to 3. We will select 1 to 3 row. Okay, then we will click on OK button. Select column A as title to repeat on each page. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview and then print the worksheet. We will go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. We will go to the sheet and then go to the column. We will select column A and then click on OK button. Click on print preview first and then we will click on 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this exam. The next question of this exam is that with cell A3 selected, create a table from the existing data. We will click on cell A3, go to the insert tab, accept the default setting, go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on table button, we will click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. On the table design tab in the properties group, click the table name box, tab download Emporium and then press enter. We will go to the table design tab, click the table name box. Okay, go to the table design tab, click the table design box. In the properties group, we will type download Emporium. Okay, download Emporium and then we will press enter. It will be, this question is done now. You can see here I have done for 6 question. Delete the writer table column from the table only. We will select the writer table and then we will delete this column. Okay, we will go to the home tab in the cells group, click on delete button and then click on delete table column button. Type donation in cell H3, click on cell H3 and then we will type donation. Type profit in cell I3. We will type profit in cell I3. Okay, profit in cell I3. You can see question is completed now. I have done 7 questions out of 21 for remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and bottom of the screen. Please reach me out. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course, and reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Nursing, Medical, and many more online courses. I will be available 24 hours, and reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.